Dear students, welcome back to online learning of subject Geography. Today we are going to study Geography chapter number 11, Contour Maps and Landforms. Topographic Maps. Topographic maps represent the geographical features of a region including hills and valleys. They display three-dimensional features on a two-dimensional map. A topographic map is a detailed and accurate two-dimensional representation of natural and human-made features on the Earth's surface. These maps are used for a number of applications, from camping, hunting, fishing, and hiking to urban planning, resource management, and surveying. The most distinctive characteristic of a topographic map is that the three-dimensional shape of the Earth's surface is modeled by the use of contour lines. It is a type of map characterized by large detail and quantitative representation of relief, usually using contour lines. Relief means slope of land. Topographic survey was first prepared by the military to assist in planning for battle, as such information was vital. These maps have several uses in present day, like in any type of geographic planning or large scale architecture, earth science, mining and other earth based endeavors, civil engineering and recreational uses. Interpreting topo sheets. In order to study topographical maps, the following are important. Point number 1. Interpret the shape of the ground from a map. Number 2. State the definition of relief. Point number 3. Determine representation of height. Point 4. Grid reference. A grid is a set of lines used to find the exact location of places on a map. Point number 5. Eastings. Vertical lines are called eastings as they are numbered from west to east. Point number 6. Northing. Horizontal lines are called northings as they are numbered from south to north. What are contour lines? A contour line is a line connecting places of equal elevation. Important features are: first, two contour lines usually do not cross each other. Point number 2. A contour line is drawn to show places of equal heights. Point number 3. Contour lines and their shapes represent the heights and slopes or gradient of the landforms. Gradient means an inclined part of a landscape. Types of slopes. Types of slope are gentle slope, steep slope, convex slope and concave slope. Now let us discuss about gentle slope. A slope with contour lines spread far apart from each other. This even spacing is maintained in both up and down slope is known as gentle slope. Steep slope. A slope represented with contour lines close to each other on a topographical map is steep slope. What is convex slope? On a map, if the contour lines with high values are farther away and those with low values are closer to one another, the slope is convex. What is concave slope? On a map, if the contour lines with higher values are close to one another and those with low values move far away from one another, it indicates a concave slope.